而家咧就係將你嘅人工減去你所有嘅開支，睇下剩低嘅錢你夠唔夠還款啦。如果唔夠嘅話咧，你有兩樣嘢可以做。第一樣嘢咧就係減低你嘅開支，越大嘅開支我就建議 cut 先，因為成效越快。譬如話你嘅租金可唔可以搬翻屋企住啊？或者係叫人哋分租呢？出去食飯你就唔好諗住啦。買衫唔好買 ，gym 嘅 membership 麻煩你 cut 咗佢。保險呢，我就唔建議你 cut，因為呢有用嘅時候呢真係好幫到你嘅喎。第二樣嘢你可以做嘅就係睇下你嘅還款額可唔可以降低，譬如話轉去一啲結餘轉戶嘅貸款咁。剛才呢我就睇到預算係好比一個案件重組咁樣。譬如我自己咁講啦，我當時嘅問題呢就因為冇儲蓄走去借錢買樓，原來呢一心想投資可能都會用錯方法嘅喎。不過咁又唔使驚喎，只要我哋肯花時間去計劃下我哋啲錢點使，經常做 review， 咁就應該唔會出問題啦。我就記得《Psychology of Money》本書裏邊呢有一樣嘢講到儲蓄，我想讀俾大家聽。佢就咁講啦。So people's ability to save is more in their control than they might think. Savings can be created by spending less. You can spend less if you desire less, and you will desire less if you care less about what others think of you. As I argue often in this book, money relies more on psychology than finance. 原來呢，使錢呢係因為心理多過係一條數學喎。你又記唔記得你買啲貴嘢嘅時候係想話俾人知你有幾掂呢？但係事實係人只會介意自己有幾掂，冇人會介意你幾掂㗎喎。